Well, let's get you some more stocks to watch out for. And Navneet Saluja from our research desk now joins us to run us through the stocks that are making headlines. Navneet, you've been going through all the newspapers. Tell us what's buzzing.
Morning, Kamya. Well, to start off with Cain India, that will be in focus. As the company has indicated, they will be investing about $3 billion from FY14 to FY16 in order to increase the output from the Rajasthan block. Well, company is looking to drill more than 450 wells in its Rajasthan block and is looking to increase the output to about 215,000 barrels of oil per day. Keep an eye on Cain India. On back of this news, you could see some reaction coming in. Well, if you look at the counter on YTD basis, that's down by about 11% and it's trading below its 20-day moving average as of now. And aluminium major Hindalco will be in focus as company's subsidiary, US-based subsidiary Novelis, has increased prices of painted aluminium sheet in Europe by about €100 per ton on select sheets. So keep an eye on that counter. On YTD basis, the stock of Hindalco is down by 26%. Yesterday, the counter was just flattish. And moving on to IGL, which could see a positive reaction in today's trading session. Company has increased CNG prices by about 5% on back of rupee depreciation. Well, if you look at the prices in Delhi, they stand at 41.90 per kg, whereas in Noida, Greater Noida, that stands at about 47.35 per kg. On YTD basis, that counters given returns about 6%. And lastly, keep an eye on Tata Tele. Well, today Economic Times paper has reported that company's deal with MTS is at advanced stages now, and both the companies are waiting for the announcement of new merger and acquisition norm for the telecom sector, where Tata Tele is looking to transfer its stake in entity Docomo and also Tata Group's stake in Tata Tele to Systema. And both the bankers by both the companies have been appointed. Well, if you look at this counter yesterday, that was down by about 4%.